My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
It's good. Hello. My name is Mayor Martin and I'm the owner of PetPeePee. I would like to show you how we clean a Persian rug, 25 years old. They don't have a pet problem. No dogs, no cats urinating on this gorgeous handmade Persian rug. It's only wet dog smell. The owner in Philadelphia having two big dogs, and they just laid on the rug for a long time. So the smell from the skin drive the lady crazy because it smell like wet dog. Take a look how we clean the rug. Gently, naturally, no chemicals. This is what you see right now. It's the first cycle. And we aiming to get the tube clear like this. It means the rug will be completely clean. We clean the rug by using the Dead Sea Minerals, a cleaning product that I invented specifically to clean Oriental rug and remove the urine odor, not cover it by deodorize or enzyme. Remove it. Remove it so you will never smell any smell from your rug. If it's wool, you will smell wool. If it's silk, will be odorless Oriental rug. And this is what you're looking for. PetPeePee, we cleaning your Oriental rug naturally, and we guarantee in writing odor removal permanently naturally. Please take a look at the review on Google or Angie's List. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Stay tuned and see how we fold the rug the right way for shipping. Thank you. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag, and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.